Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to earn from HubPages, which is a revenue sharing site. So ensure you watch this video to the end. Now, there are two ways in which you can earn from HubPages. That is through advertisements and through Amazon affiliate. But first of all, you need to post high quality articles on the platform. You also need to configure or activate these earning programs in order to start earning from your articles. As for the advertisements, HubPages will include ads on your articles, and any earnings from these ads will be shared between you and the platform. But the good thing is that you will be getting the bigger share. Also, in order for the HubPages to include ads on your articles, you need to ensure that ads are turned on when posting your articles, and you can check this on the display options. When it comes to the Amazon affiliate, you can add Amazon products on your articles and earn a commission when a customer buys through your articles. This commission is also shared between you and the platform, you getting the bigger share. And there are two ways in which you can add Amazon products on your articles. That is through inline text links and through Amazon capsules. In the next video, I will show you how to add Amazon products through these two methods. So ensure you also watch that video. And this is like everything for this video. If you like this video, do me a favor by clicking the like button below and subscribing to this channel for more of these exciting videos.